Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I am going to teach you about two amazing tips and tricks in MS Excel. Very few people know about these hidden commands, so today I am going to teach you how to apply these commands so that you can perform your work even better. Before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, please make sure to like the video. So let's start today's lecture. Here I have a database with 3 different sheets, each containing a lot of data, and I want to search for a particular name within it. That is, there are 3 sheets and I want to search for a name in any one of them. So what do we do in this case? Most people do this, they go to home and then they go to find. After clicking on find, we click on find here, and then from here, we type the name. For example, I typed Gopal here. I am going to search for Gopal's data. I clicked on next. See, the data is not being searched anywhere on this sheet. So, to search for the data, what I need to do is open Find and Replace or press Ctrl+F. Click on Find, then click on Options, and here where it says Within, click on it and select Workbook. After that, when we click on Find All wherever the data is, you will see here that in book number 1, sheet number 1, the data is present in cell B7. Here, as soon as we double click, you will see that the data is now displayed here. So in this way, we can also search for data within multiple sheets. And the next command that I am going to teach you is about the clipboard. Whenever we copy data here in Excel, I have copied the data and clicked here. Suppose I pasted it here, and after that, as soon as we use the ES key or copy some other data, the previous record we had gets removed from here. So look, if we want to paste the previous record numbers data here, where did that data go? So to keep a record of that data, you need to use the clipboard. You can see this arrow here, clipboard. Click on it here. After clicking, now whatever data you copy from here will keep getting pasted into this clipboard. For example, suppose I copied this data here. See, it's getting pasted inside it. Then I copied this other data from here. That too is getting pasted here. Now the advantage of this is that no matter where you are, on sheet number 2, 4 or anywhere else, you just have to click there. And this data will keep getting pasted there one by one. So in this way, we can keep a record of our cut and copy actions here. And the second big benefit of this is that if you have Word open here, or later if you have PowerPoint open, you can open the clipboard there as well and paste this same data there too. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you about the clipboard, and then I explained advanced find, how to find data within a workbook. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.